First you can do is draw like an almond. What you need to keep in mind is if there is a nose here, this side goes lower, this side goes higher. So my eye is slightly slant. This is low, this is high. They are not on the same level. Then you can give slight shape over here. So I give little bit of, let me zoom it so that you see in detail. So I'm giving little shape over here like this for the tear gland. And then you go little in and then you go little out and eyelash. Now if you see, the eye is not horizontal, it is on an angle. Little angular eyes always look good. Now we can finish the lower part, but you don't have to complete it. So I do it like this. Not completing. Then what you can do is inside the eyeballs never you will never see the eyeballs completely. So what we do is we draw a big eyeball over here. And then you draw the the center of the eye, your retina, I think. And then you need to fill it. When you fill it, remember that eyes are reflecting the light, so you don't fill it completely dark. You need to leave little gap over there, maybe like this. Leaving little gap, and then you see that eye starts looking little realistic. And then the remaining part you can very gently, again you need to leave little bit of gaps at places, so you see that it's like a hazy eye. Looks beautiful, my god. And then you need to do the little bit of lashes, not much, little bit. You can do a little hazy eyelashes over here, and then you can do a little line fold for the eye. All this has to be very gentle. That's why I'm using a 6B pencil, a 6B. See, you cannot do this with just an HB pencil. Even the lips, even the hair, what we're going to do. And then what we learned, how to draw the eyebrow. You need to draw, since it is a big eye, I'm going to use some strokes, not just one stroke, but the shape remains the same. And my god, I can draw beautiful eyes, my god. So the eye is done like this. You can do little haziness if you want it to be little more thicker. And done.